Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So today I'm showing you a crocheted headband. We have 3 projects with the same wool, crocheted version, so this one, then another knitted version, and it's also going to be super simple and great for beginners. And the third video will just be comparing the 2 methods and their results. So yeah, if you want to see what we were up to, stay tuned. I'll show you the wool of my choice, of course. So this is from the Wool and the Gang. It's called Crazy Sexy Wool. It's 100% wool, so it's super warm and cuddly. It's for 12mm needles, that's what they recommend, so pretty thick, super warm. And then we will need our measuring tape and some scissors as well, and a darning needle, of course. And yeah, that's it. So the knitting needles are for the part 2 of this project. So we're gonna do and start with the crocheting version first. So we will do an easy beginner's version. So we are doing simple chains to start with. So we're taking the thread around our fingers like this. Then we go through and we pull the needle up and tight. And then we can adjust the length of our starting loop and we can start with our actual stitches. Then we can start with our chains. Five and the 6th chain, and I think that's gonna be good. So this is what we have for now. So the 6th stitch is for the height, so I'll skip that one and I'll go through the 5th one. So leave one out, go through the next one and do a regular single crochet, take the needle through and then through both loops. And we need 1 single per each stitch we see. Five, there we are, that's the height. So even with just 5 stitches, you get a lovely width for your headband. Okay, so let's take some wool so that we can start our next row. One chain for the height, turn, and crochet back again in single crochets. One, two, 3 I already have. Five, that's it. So we have 2 rows done already, and I'm again taking a chain for the height, and I'm again going back to the other side with just regular single crochets, just like so far. And I'll continue this way, so 1 chain for the height and singles to the other end. And I'll do this till I get my desired size of my headband. So I have here my measuring tape, so let's see what we have for now. So I think good 7 centimeters, so that's not bad for these couple of rows. I need a total of 50 centimeters for my head size, so I still have a bit to do, and I'll do that really quick and then I'll be back to show you the rest and how to finish your headband. So here is my desired length. So I have a bit less than my head circumference because the wool itself and the stitches are making this stretchy effect that we have. So I recommend trying it out yourself, and then you can do it for other people as well, always a bit less than what you measure around your head. So it's best if it's a little bit tighter on your head than the actual circumference that you measure with a measuring tape. And yeah, I'll take quite a good length for this last step. I'll pull this out, the last stitch I did. Pull tight so that it stays in place. And now let's take our darning needle so that we can connect the two ends. So this is an XXL version and I love it. It's so easy to use. So now I'm just stitching them up, the two ends. So through the one side, then through the other, and pull through the whole thing. And I'm at the other end already, so let's pull nicely. And you see here the stitch that ends up as our result. So the other side looks a lot nicer. You can wear it as it is already, but I thought of a really nice and really easy alternative, so hence our leftover thread. Here is the leftover wool, so I took the needle out, and now I'll just roll this around the connecting stitch I just did. It gives it a really cute look in the end, like a nice bow in the front. There we are. I used up most of my wool, so you can do this as you like. And now we will weave this in. So first under the bow itself. Through some side stitches too. One more time under it. And here again, weave in. This is the final step. We can then shorten our thread and we are done. So here is my first finished headband. I hope you guys like the way it looks. So we did this in a really simple way. We did the stylish bow in the front as an optional step. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, you can let me know by shooting a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of what I do, you can also subscribe to my channel and that way stay updated with everything new I post on there. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!